Canada. Eh? Akba. Ajado. Linga. Kazi. Wow. Wow. See the boy? He's selling fish. And you see, today is Saturday morning, so they didn't go to school. So this is what you do to what? To help your parents. Guys, so you see this small girl is selling soya. So I want to test it. It's your for now. Oh no, feel okay. I will take one for you. Yeah, so guys, this is soya. This is soya. Very nice. Tastes like meat. In fact, I don't know what they used to do it. Is it beans?
Yeah.
What they used to do it?
That's the soya beans, something like that.
Beans. Alright, so they use beans to do it, but it tastes like meat, but yet it's not meat. Wow. I learned Rastafarians, this is their favorite food. This is what they eat as protein. Hello. Oh, from there, we'll be going to their riverside. Now, see, this is plantain trees and then coconut. Everything is organic. Then you can see palm trees too as well. Village life. Sweet. And then also, I want to talk about this. This is turkey berry. Turkey berry. Locally, we call it abedu. So guys, at the comment section, let me know how this is called in your country or in your local language. The English name is turkey berry. Over here in Ghana, we call it abedu. Is it Vegbemehari? And then in Ewe, we call it agbechavi. We use it to cook and then also for medicine, for medicinal purpose. If you are short of blood, this you can what? Blend it, take the water and then you drink. When you drink it, you gain blood within a seconds. So guys, you see I'm a doctor too. I'm now a herbal doctor. So let me know at the comment section what this is used for. I'm sure it have more uses. Here in Ghana, we used to prepare a stew, we used to prepare a banquine with like palm nut soup and many other things, you know. So guys, let me know at the comment section what this is used for, and I'll let you can show through it raw. Yeah, it's good. I'm showing you medicine for free. You guys have to pay me. Nani? Okay? Yeah. Have you not as well? Marina. Bye. Elobiti jiraga have you agafuna. Tatanga utia. So I'm just asking her if she's going to sell all. She said yes, she will sell all before she will return home. Wow. At little like this, she's learning how to do business. And there's another tea over here. This is, you know, we call it, in Akan language, we call it alukutugui. But in area, we call it evo. Right?
Yeah.
In Ewe, we call it Evo, but in English, we call it Sawa. Sawa, I think, yes, Sawa. That's the English name. But then, if I'm wrong too, you can correct me. And it's very good. You see the old lady they are from the market. Look me away there, oh. Very cool. You see how we put the baby at the back? This is beautiful. We are going to the riverside to see the river. No, it's a dam. Yeah, I think this dam is built by our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Yeah, I forgot the year it's been built, but I'm sure it will be around in the 1960s. I mean, what up here? Then you go, Samasan do there. Eh? Okay? Oh, my time do ya around, I'm going to show you. Eh? I do the fear. I may me at you. Tell you, Harry. What do you mean at you? Maybe at you. Not to. My do. No, quite a break you go. So guys, as you can see, this is the dam. This is where, because there's no river over here. So our first president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, built this dam for the community. So they use it to what? To wash. They use it to cook, but they don't drink it. They have a tap water over here too as well. So they drink tap water, and they use this water to cook. They use it to wash, and it's free. And as you can see, a few people are here to see the very beautiful girl. She's washing her clothes. She came here and she fetched the dam, and she's washing. You don't need to buy water to wash, and it's free for the community. Whenever you come around, when you need water, you can just come here and then fetch water. See? She's washing her clothes. It's beautiful. So guys, follow me. Let's go and see the river. People are here. You see? So this is how we fetch the water. You see the woman? Hello. See, so she came, fetch the water, carry it, and she send it home. Wow. And you can see the lady here as well, Malenoa. But I like this crocodile inside too as well. You have a bunch of crocodile, in fact not one, plenty crocodile inside too as well. So if you want to see the crocodile, you can go to the other side where they have a crocodile resort. And this is the dam. They have a lot of crocodile inside. So if you want to see the crocodile, you go to that side. From here, we'll go to the other side. See, there's no one here to carry her. See the technique that she's doing? See? Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm scared though, because there's crocodile inside. So next get them my town right. But still a guy in go go. Can explore go from na campus. Elu ala. Elu melena mu. Ome do now. Ado ba fia. Tano do me tin to me de go. Man na go go. Eh? Okay, so she's just telling me that the water is very deep, and in the afternoon time the crocodile used to come out. And you can see the crocodile here. You can just pass by the crocodile and fetch water and go. The crocodile will not do anything. I'm scared though. Maybe there might be one around. guys. So this is Ave-Dakpa Dam, and they have street lighting as well. Even the top two. Charlie, you ride bicycle, you get it? Yeah, life is free. I look quick to do it. Are you the quick with the camera? Okay. Yes, I'm riding bicycle. So sweet.